Hi, my name is Rebecca and I am the Postgraduate Officer at the Guild of Students. Today we're going to make a Tudor bonnet style graduation cap for all of those people who are graduating during this very unusual time with their doctorate. So congratulations, you've done it, you're there, you're a doctor, but we need a hat to wear. So that's what we're going to do today. Just to give you an idea of what I've got a cardboard disc that I've cut out with a dinner plate and a bowl. So the dinner plate obviously around the outside, the bowl is a circle in the middle, and then I have cut out another one with some tabs on just for the bowl. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick these on, and this is going to form the basis of our hat. So if you give me a moment, I'm just going to make sure that structure is sound. So once those are all stuck down, your hat will look a little bit like this. That's a little bit cardboardy, if you ask me. It doesn't look very doctoral. The next thing we need is a long strip of black material. You can use whatever's in your house, that's all I'm using. I happen to have some black material, hopefully. But what we're going to do is we're going to wrap this around the bottom section of your bonnet. So we're going to do that quite quickly, if possible. So we're going... So yeah, like I say, I am just making these out of things that I've already got in my house. So you might have an old bed sheet, you might have a bin bag. You know, you spent 4 or 5 years on your doctorate, you don't really want to put a bin bag on your head, but whatever you've got handy, just to make the day a little bit more special, a little bit more fun, and to celebrate all of your hard work. So we're going to keep going until this is all the way around. It will ruche up a little bit and give us that nice ruched effect, and it will also, as you work your way around, hopefully secure that bit that I've just not stuck down very well. So working all the way around. And you know what? It's coming out pretty well, I think. I'm pretty pleased with it. What we'll do is we'll stick this last bit of black material down here with some more sellotape. Other brands are available. And then we're going to go in, so if you ruche it around a little bit more, it should cover most of your cardboard. So again, right, we're starting to get there. We've got a little bit of cardboard peeking out at the front there. So what we need next is a slightly larger bit of black material. And what I've done is I've cut in some slices that will fit in around those tabs that we've done to give us some structure. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop it on top of the hat and tuck it all the way underneath. Now you want it to look a little bit loose, I think. They're not quite as square or as structured as a mortarboard that you would have for your masters or your undergraduate graduations. So if you want to keep just tucking under, again, it's all about the ruching. Trying to pull it all in without it all falling apart. So that's what those slices in the material are for. Tuck it all in, we're nearly there. And what we're going to do is we're going to pop again another little bit of sellotape just to secure that material down on the inside of your hat. So there we go. So we've got a nice hat there. You know what? I'm actually quite pleased with this. Wasn't sure how it was going to turn out, but there we go. And obviously there's one last thing that we want, and that is going to be the tassel. So I've got a couple of options for you here. I've made one out of string that I've painted yellow. So just loop some string around, tie it all together. I've done a little braid there, and just sellotape that on as you would. So painted it yellow, gonna sellotape it on. But I also, if you don't have any string available, as I said, just doing it around the home. So I've got some yellow post-it notes. All you need is 2 post-it notes. If you slice one into slices upwards, and then you stick it on the inside of the other one, roll it all the way around. You've got a nice little tassel there as well. But for now, that is the end of my tutorial. If you've got something better, please do show us. We'd love to see them. You can send them into @guild_postgrad on Instagram and Twitter. So there we go, that is my doctoral hat. I don't think we'll be seeing Dr. Rebecca anytime soon, but again, congratulations to all students who are graduating this year and this week in this unusual time with their doctorate.